Hi, today we have a very interesting automation to talk about. Today we are going to understand how we can create sales report PDF files completely on automation, that too with the help of a Notion database. As you can see, this is a sales report Google document which has certain placeholder elements put inside double curly brackets, like the report period, the prepared by, date prepared, and so on. All these fields that you see that have been put inside double curly brackets as placeholders are the exact same fields which we have created in this Notion database as well. So what the automation will do is it will fetch that information from the database and it will replace that information onto this Google document one by one, and it will create a PDF file directly inside this Notion database. So you need not go anywhere else to find the PDF files. It will be all stored inside this database itself. Along with this, once the automation is set up, it can run on a regular interval, and you never need to come back to this Google document ever again to again initiate the automation. So this will automatically run on a frequent interval, and it will automatically create the PDF files in this Notion database. So how exactly will this work? For this, we need to install the automation extension at AutoDocCreator.com. You need to go over to this website and click on Get Automation Access to gain access to the automation. Once the automation is installed, you can start the automation by going to this icon over this menu over here which says AutoDocCreator. So for this, first of all, we need to set up the exact database and the other things associated with that. Once it is set up, you will have this particular column which gives you three different status: in progress, ready to generate, and completed. If you put any particular record as ready to generate, it will automatically create the PDF files inside the Notion database over here. So let us see how this will work. I've already gone ahead and set up the entire automation. You'll get all the instructions on how to set up the same and how do you map the fields for every placeholder once you get access to the automation. Let us now run the automation and see how it will work. So I will simply click on generate PDF and it will automatically read all the details in the database, and it will see which of the records are set as ready to generate. Corresponding to that, it will create me the PDF file over here in this column that you see over here. It will also create the PDF files inside a Google Drive folder which I've already created beforehand. So all your documents are saved inside your Google Drive and you can gain access to that. As you can see, the first document has already been created. So if you go back to the database, you can see the first record has been set as completed with the corresponding Google Drive folder link, the file link, and the raw PDF file. So if you click on this, it will take you to the Google Drive file with all the placeholders that has been mapped. So you can see in this PDF file, all the placeholders have been mapped corresponding to the information in the database. If anything is missed out, this means the placeholder has not been correctly placed, reading the values from the database. So you need to ensure that all the placeholders are correctly entered inside the document. I had kept it intentionally unmapped to show you how it will work. Let's check the second one. So this is the second output which has come out, and you can see this file has also been mapped with the precise requirements that we had. So the beauty of this automation is that every PDF file is created inside the Notion database itself. As you can see, the raw PDF is already available over here. So I can click on this and click over here to download the PDF file. If I want to view it on my download folder, that is also available over here. Along with this, the files are also stored in my Google Drive. So every file that you see will be available over here. So let's check out the files once again and see how it appears. So you can see both the files have been created inside this folder on my Google Drive, and I never need to go back to this document ever again to initiate the automation. What I can do is I can just schedule this automation to run on a regular interval, and this is all a one-time setup that you need to do, and everything will be done automatically. You can go with any of these automation frequencies. I will go with custom and I will select a 5-minute interval for the automation to run. And once I set it as 5 minutes, every 5 minutes it will check my database and it will initiate the automation and see which of the records are marked as ready to generate, and it will correspondingly generate the PDF file. So you can keep on adding records of data in the database. Simply mark this record as ready to generate and it will automatically create PDFs for you even while you're asleep. That's the beauty of using this automation tool. So I hope this explanation was clear to you. If you still have any questions, just reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, or you can use this website AutoDocCreator to purchase the automation and get access to this automation to start chatting with me with the issues that you're facing. So I hope this entire demonstration was helpful to you. Once again, you can install this automation at AutoDocCreator.com. So head over to the website and click on Get Automation Access to gain access to the automation and start using the same. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.